Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sony's Developer World channel. Today is the second video of a series introducing the ToF AR SDK. In the first one, we did an overview of the SDK, so if you missed that, I highly recommend you go and watch it. I'll leave a link in the description of the video for that one. Now for the second video of this series, we'll be highlighting the ToF AR Server. We'll talk about what it is and how it can help you, Unity developer, to create audience capturing AR applications. The ToF AR toolkit consists of the SDK, the Samples app, the Lab app, and the server. All those components are offered free of charge, and you can download them in the Developer World ToF AR webpage. I'll leave a link to that one in the description of the video. The ToF AR Server was created as a handy tool for debugging purposes. It allows you to fetch information from your mobile device's depth sensor. It then connects the mobile device to the Unity editor, allowing you to debug from the familiar environment of your PC. This way, it's not necessary to create a new build after every single change you make to your project, so debugging is much easier and faster. We understand that developers want to create great application and content and not spend most of their time debugging. With ToF AR Server, troubleshooting is much easier. The source code for the server is available on GitHub, and you can also find a link for that one in the description of the video. There you can find all developer support materials, including documentation and user manual. In the user manual, there is one chapter called Debug with ToF AR Server. On that one, you're going to find a step-by-step guide of how to get started and also practical tips to debug your first application. ToF AR Server is available for both iOS and Android. Please make sure to use the same version of both the Unity Editor Toolkit and the ToF AR Server. In this video, we briefly introduced the ToF AR Server. I think it's such a handy tool for every developer who wants to create their application using ToF AR. It is absolutely free of charge and available for you to try it out today. Thank you for watching this video, and please leave your thoughts and comments down below. See you in the next one!